over. Cody, loose ball, save ball. SGA, pass to Brian, to SGA, take pass, kick out to number 0, pull up, kick out to Brian for 3. No good, rebounded by Capistrano. Capistrano to Mercado. Mercado, the Mr. Northland, pass to Capistrano. Si Makoy, Rosario, Yusef, number 0, dribbling the ball. Nagmamadali top by Tanyo. What a nice top by Tanyo. Same ball. 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Score is 12-17. Brian to number 0. Brian plus 3. No good. Rebounded by Brian again. Brian got it by Rosario. Halliburton. 3 seconds violation by number 0, Grayson. Hit the ball. Score is 12-17. And we would like to thank our following sponsors, we program Mr. Negre, CEO. Capistrano, Basto Mercado, Rosario, Pedro by Makoy. Pula, number 3, bounded by Halliburton. Loose ball. James and ball. 2 minutes and 56 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Score is 12-17. Harvey, pass to Makoy. To Rosario. Loose ball. Number 0, SGA. Pass to Brian. Brian, dribbling the ball, guarding by Rosario. Brian, pick and roll. Pull up. No good. Rebound by Maxi. Double team. Tumumba. Buhayo ni Mercado. Nagmamadali. Guarding by Halliburton. Pass to Tanyo. Score. 12-17 ang score. 19-12 ang score. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Brian, sunod ni Mercado. Brian dribbling the ball, guarding by Harvey Mercado. Pass to Brian. 3 seconds violation again by number 0, Mr. Glacier. Always move outside the free throw line. Harvey Mercado. Pass to Rosario. Rosario guarding by number 0, pick and roll by Tanyo. Rosario. 15 seconds to shoot. Tanyo. To Maxi Black by Brian. To Capistrano. Hawak ngayon ni Brian ang bola. Pull up 3 short. Rebound by number 0. Easy 2 points. His score is 14-19. 1 minute and 49 seconds remaining. Mercado. Pick and roll by Tanyo. Halliburton, pinapatay ko. Nagpapatay si Mercado. Gusto tumira. Libre ngayon si Rosario. To Tanyo. Narik by SGA. 10 seconds to shoot. 8, 7, 6, 5. Ah! 45. Score is 40-21. SGA guarding by Rosario. SGA dribbling the ball. Pass to number 0. Mukhang magkapatid ang dalawang to. Number 0. Pull up to Brian for 3 again. Bam! He scores 17-21 in favor of Team Gaetan. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. Mercado to Rosario. Guarding by SGA. Pick and roll by Makoy. Ganda ng laban. Ganda ng sundutan. Hindi makalusot si Rosario. Mercado ng pull up 3. Malakas. Tuwag na nagtipa ng Pampanga. Number 0. Number 0. Block. Block by Maxi. Ganda ng laban. Mercado ng binigay. Tuwag yung pass na nila. Score. 23-17 in favor of Team Game Time. SGA, galing kay Rosario. Pinasayaw, pinasundot, iniwan, trapas, easy, wala. Kuha kayo ni Halliburton. Tapik Itanyo, kuha pa rin number 0. Rosario naman ngayon. Pass to Fernando. Zico. Score is 17-23. 16 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Maxi, to Mercado. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counted foul by Rosario. Score 17-26. Two shot for Rosario. One shot for Rosario. 2.7 seconds remaining. Number 2, 1, 0. Score 17.